2023 BMW M4. The BMW M4 is a high-performance sports coupe that demands proper maintenance to uphold its performance and reliability. Here is a guide to servicing your BMW M4. Regular maintenance. Adhere to BMW's recommended maintenance schedule outlined in your owner's manual. This typically includes routine services like oil changes, fluid checks, and filter replacements. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial for preserving engine performance and longevity. Use high-quality synthetic oil with the appropriate viscosity recommended by BMW. Fluid checks and flushes. Routinely check and top off essential fluids such as coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid. Follow manufacturer guidelines for fluid flushes and replacements to maintain system performance. Brake system. Inspect brake pads, rotors, and calipers regularly for wear and tear. Replace brake components as necessary to ensure safe and efficient braking performance. Suspension and steering. Keep the suspension and steering components in good condition by inspecting them for signs of damage or wear. Replace worn-out shocks, struts, bushings, and steering components to maintain ride quality and handling. Tire maintenance. Monitor tire pressure regularly and ensure tires are inflated to BMW's recommended levels. Rotate tires at regular intervals to promote even wear and extend tire life. Engine and performance tune-ups. Periodically inspect and replace spark plugs, ignition coils, and air filters to maintain engine performance. Consider performing a performance tune-up to optimize engine power and efficiency. Electrical system. Check the battery regularly to ensure it's holding a charge and functioning correctly. Inspect electrical components such as lights, switches, and fuses for proper operation. Safety systems. Test safety features like airbags, seatbelts, and electronic stability control systems to ensure they're functioning correctly. Address any warning lights or error codes promptly by diagnosing and repairing underlying issues. Professional service. For complex repairs or diagnostics, seek assistance from a certified BMW technician or reputable automotive service center. Regularly scheduled maintenance at a BMW dealership ensures that factory-trained technicians perform services according to manufacturer specifications. By following these maintenance guidelines and addressing issues promptly, you can keep your BMW M4 performing at its best and enjoy the exhilarating driving experience it offers for years to come.